Hey guys, sorry I haven't uploaded in like 2 freaking months. I ran out of ideas like the mongoloid I am, but I hope this video is at least decent. And I'm just letting you know you might lose brain cells from this. So as you can see, the part of the reason why I'm not uploading any and like I'm running out of ideas because I don't know what to make on freaking MS Paint. And also all these games are just something I really want to be able to do something about, just Frank, but this game right here. Wait, what the? I put in Fortnite, but what? Hold on. Okay, this game right here. I think we're gonna review this, alright, man. 10 out of 10 review. Alright, so as you can see, we loaded in, and I have a crappy anthro freaking running animation. Oh, that's horrible. Yo, what the wonky? I'm just gonna drop. I wanna die anyways. Oh, I didn't die. Okay. City of Death. Oh, somebody just dropped. This game's freaking. Yo, freaking monkey can make a better game than this. What is this trash? These bushes are freaking humongous, dude. Yo. Die, you mongoloid. Will they not let him die? Is this like a family-friendly game? Will you die? Will you freaking die? Yo, that's retarded. The deagle looks like somebody took a wonky on it. There's building? This is horrible. Yo, what the... Is this like Loot Lake right here, but except it's on grass? Why is there a dock? I have so many questions. Oh my... Yo, what? Why? What the Frank? Are people giving away like free V-Bucks over here? Why is it so popular? Jeez. Why are my bullets... Oh, okay, Frank. I need to zoom in. Horrible accuracy. Frank. Shoot! Oh, I gotta reload. Oh, it's an anthro person. This is just a big thing of shooting each other, but they actually don't die, so it's just a big waste of time. Yo, what? Do I have like 5,000 ping? Am I playing with people on Jupiter right now? I'm just gonna go away now. I feel uncomfortable. I'm just gonna be over here. Oh, look, I found another one of those like glitched retard. Yo, what the? Yeah, this is really retarded. Oh, I think he's back now. Hey, fatty, you're being mugged. Actually, you're not because I'm just shooting at you. I'm not threatening you. Trying to get. Dude, this game sucks. I just want to play the real Fortnite right now instead. Will you freaking die? This is really retarded. Yes, I'm actually on the real Fortnite right now. Wait, what is that? There's an emo furry in the battle pass? I think I'm just better off playing this game.